Okay, today we are going to make a video, and this is video of class 12 physics. Here question is like this: derive the expression for the magnifying power of a telescope for the normal adjustment and when the final image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay, here in this case, when the final image is formed at infinity, what things? When the final image is formed at infinity. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay, when the final image is formed at infinity. Okay, here there are two questions. Question number is first, final image is formed at infinity and final image is formed at infinity. Here you are observing this is objective lens and this is eyepiece lens. Here try to understand, derive the expression for the magnifying power of a telescope. What is the meaning of telescope? Someone is asking that what is telescope. Through this instrument, telescope is an instrument, through this you can see very far distance object. Okay, if you want to see distant object like a star, moon, etc., you have to use very big telescope. Okay, here telescope simple meaning is you can, using this instrument you can see large distance object. Okay, when the final image is formed at infinity, objective eyepiece, here you may observe C1 alpha, this is alpha angle, F A dash B dash beta, C2 eyepiece, I FE focal length of eyepiece, B dash FO focal length of objective lens. Okay, I have written here when a parallel beam of light rays falls on the objective lens. Here you are observing these are parallels. Falls on the objective lens from a distant object. What things I have told you? If you want to observe a distant object, then you have to use an instrument that is telescope. Objective lens from a distant object, its real and inverted image is formed. Eyepiece is so adjusted so that final image will be formed at infinity, and the telescope is said to be in normal adjustment. C1 is adjustment. C1 is C lodged to C2. Okay, here angle AC1 A dash C1 B dash is equal to alpha. What things? Angle A1 A dash C1 B dash is equal to alpha, and angle A dash C B dash is equal to beta. What thing? Angle A dash C2 B is equal to beta. Try to understand all the things which is given here, and also here magnification. What will you get? Magnification is simply beta by alpha. What things? Magnification is equal to beta by alpha, and then beta by alpha then you may write this thing in tan theta. You may write tan beta by tan alpha. That is first. M is equal to magnification is equal to beta by alpha. That is tan beta by tan alpha. That is first. Now in right triangles A dash B dash C1 and A dash B dash C2. Okay. In right angle triangles A dash B C1, B dash C1 and A dash B C2. Here tan alpha is equal to A dash B dash by C1 A dash, that is second. Here try to understand, this is close. A dash B dash by C1 A dash, that is 2, and tan beta is equal to A dash B dash by C2 A dash, that is third. From first, second and third, what will you get? Magnification A dash B dash by C2 A dash by A dash B dash C1 A dash. What things are you observing common? A1 B1 A dash B dash A dash B dash. This will become cancelled, and then finally what will you get? And this thing is in the numerator, but finally this will become in the, this thing is in the denominator, and finally this will come in the numerator. C1 A dash by C2 A dash, and FO by minus FE, that is minus FO by FE. In this case, when image is formed at infinity, what thing? Magnification will be minus FO by FE. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. I hope you are understanding. Okay, I have not written when the final image is formed at infinity. In this case, I have not written where C1 A dash is equal to FO, that is focal length of the objective lens, and C2 A dash, that is FE minus FE, that is focal length of eye lens. Negative sign shows that final image is inverted. Okay, what things are you observing? Negative sign shows that the final image is inverted. Okay, try to understand all the things. Now, second, there are two questions. In the first question, final image is formed at infinity. But in this case, when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. After this distance, that is 25 centimeter, you may observe anything. You may see, you may watch anything. And this is least distance of distinct vision. Here M magnification beta by alpha. Here in this figure you are observing, here that is, this is objective and this is eyepiece lens. Okay, this is objective and this is eyepiece, because this is in the side of eye. Now here object C1 A dash alpha, here A dash B dash FOB C2 FE, and here A double dash B double dash A dash. First time here image will form, but due to this lens there will formation of an image. Again image will form. Okay, here D least distance of distinct vision. Okay, and magnification beta by alpha, tan beta by tan alpha. Final image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision, that is D. Final image is formed here. You may observe least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. A dash B dash by C2 A dash B dash by C1 A dash. Here you are seeing something is common. A dash B dash by A dash B dash, that will be cancelled. Now this thing will go in the at the numerator place. C1 A dash by C2 A dash, that is plus FO by minus U, that is first. Where C1 A dash is equal to FO, that is the focal length of the objective lens, and C2 A dash minus UE, that is distance of A dash B dash from the eye lens. A dash B dash acts as an object for eye lens. Here A dash B dash, I have already discussed this thing. this is an object for I lens. This thing A dash B dash acts as an object for I lens. Okay. For I lens formula, minus 1 by UE plus 1 by VE is equal to 1 by FE, that is second. Using Cartesian sign convention, I have already told you in many videos that if you will choose C1 as optical center, and you may choose this for Cartesian coordinate system, here this will be origin, and you know in the right side and in the left side, if you will choose point in the right side, it will be positive, but in the left side it will be negative. As you know this thing in Cartesian coordinate system, there is no problem. You know this thing. Suppose this is origin, and this will be x dash, y dash. Here this will be plus 1, here this will be minus 1, here plus 1, and this is minus 1. Same thing in case of lens and lens, mirror, anything. Here you will choose origin or optical center, and this side positive, this side negative, upper side positive, and below side there will be negative. Suppose you are keeping an object here. Here height of the object, what will be the height of the object? It will be, you are seeing this is in the y direction, and this will be positive. Here this will be positive. Anywhere it is kept. If it is in the north direction, it means it is in the y position, in y axis, then in this case there will be positive. There is no any confusion regarding Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, where I have already discussed up to this, where C1 A dash is equal to F4, that is focal length of the objective lens, and C2 A dash minus UE, that is distance of A dash B dash from the I lens. A dash B dash acts as an object for I lens. For I lens formula, minus 1 by UE plus 1 by VE, that is 1 by FE, that is second. Using Cartesian sign conventions, okay, UU is equal to minus UE, V is equal to minus D, and here this side you will like this is in the x dash direction, so D will be negative. FE is equal to plus FE, that is third. From second and third, what will you get? Minus 1 by minus UE plus 1 by minus D, that is 1 by FE, or 1 by UE minus 1 by D is equal to 1 by FE, or 1 by UE is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by FE, that is 1 by FE, and 1 plus FE by D. If you want to write this in bracket, you have to write this thing, so you can get formula for this when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. That is equation 4. From first and fourth, here first and here that is 4. M is equal to minus F4 by FE, 1 plus FE by D. What thing are you observing? UE, 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE, 1 plus FE by D. So here UE, you should keep value of this UE here. Then what will you get? F4 by FE, 1 plus FE by D. This is the final expression when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. Okay. Here I want to say